Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to update or set your status in Zoom so that your contacts can easily see what you're currently doing or your availability. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to your App Store or Play Store, and in the search bar, type Zoom. Make sure that your Zoom app is updated to the latest version. If it is not updated, simply click on the Update button and wait for the installation to complete. Once your app is updated, open the Zoom application. Now, on the home screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. This will open your account settings and profile details. Here you will see an option called Status. Tap on it. After tapping on Status, you can easily type whatever you want to show as your status. For example, you can write busy, in a meeting, available, or anything that describes your current activity. You can also customize the time duration for your status, so it automatically updates or disappears after a certain period. Once you are done, simply save your changes, and your status will be updated instantly on Zoom. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to set or update your status in Zoom. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.